Let's make chicken francese. Start by cutting your chicken breast in half. For this recipe, I use 3 chicken breasts. Now cover with either saran wrap or wax paper and use a tenderizer to flatten your chicken breasts so that they can cook evenly. Place them into a bowl. Now add 2 eggs and about a tablespoon of milk. Season with a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper. Then mix that in well. Make sure the chicken breasts are evenly coated. Now add about a half a cup of flour onto a plate and season with a little salt and pepper. Make sure the seasoning is mixed in well. Now dredge your chicken breasts into the flour and set to the side. In a hot pan, add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Fry your chicken breast for 5 minutes on both sides. You want to get a nice brown crust on your chicken breast. Remove your chicken breast from the pan. Then add 3 tablespoons of butter. Melt your butter. Now add sliced lemon to the pan and brown on each side for about 3 minutes. Remove the lemon from the pan. Now add 2 tablespoons of flour and mix that in with the oil. After you have mixed in all of the flour with the oil, pour in 1 cup of chicken broth. Mix the flour in with the chicken broth, then add another cup of chicken broth. Make sure to mix well and get all of the lumps out. Once your sauce is smooth, add 1/3 cup of Chardonnay wine. Cook that down until it reduces. Once it reduces, season with a little salt and a little pepper. Now add your chicken breast back to the sauce. Once you've added all of the chicken breast to the pan, make sure to coat each breast with a little of that sauce. Add your lemon slices to the chicken, then sprinkle a little fresh parsley, then serve. I served mine with mashed potatoes and green beans. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.